vehicle or lunar spacecraft. It was launched by the Indian Space Research Organization in October 2008 and operated until August 2009. The mission was a major boost to India's space program, as India researched and developed its own technology in order to explore the moon. The achievement of this mission was the discovery of the presence of water molecules in lunar soil detected by the Moon Mineralogy Measuring Instrument of NASA. Chandrayaan-2. It is the India's second lunar exploration mission. It is developed by ISRO. The mission is planned to be launched to the moon by a geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle. Includes a lunar rover, all developed by India. India will launch Chandrayaan-2 by end of 2017 or beginning of 2018. According to ISRO, the wheeled rover will move on the lunar surface and will pick up soil or rock samples for on-site chemical analysis. The data will be relayed to Earth through the Chandrayaan-2 orbiter. Neil Armstrong was the mission commander of the Apollo 11 land on the moon in July 1969. After Chandrayaan-1, Chandrayaan-2 is the second lunar exploration mission developed by the Indian Space Research Organization. It consists of a lunar orbiter and also included the Vikram lander and the Pragyan lunar rover, all of which were developed in India. The purpose of Chandrayaan-2 was studies of lunar topography, mineralogy, elementary abundance, and sign of hydroxyl and water ice. Asteroids. First, apart from planets, small celestial bodies called asteroids revolve around the Sun. Second, these are seen between orbits of Mars and Jupiter and consist of rocks. Third, it is believed that they are parts of planets which have broken in the past. Fourth, the largest asteroid is Ceres. Fifth, other asteroids are Pallas, Vesta, Hygiea, Spoke, Ida, 323, Brucia and Crospra. Sixth, all of them revolve around the Sun in the same direction. Let us know more about the asteroids, meteoroids and comets. First, let's see about asteroids. An asteroid is a large irregular shaped object in space that orbits around the Sun. If one of these giant rocks end up on a collapse course with Earth, then we will be in a big trouble. Asteroids are made up of rocks or even metal. The three broad composition classes of asteroids are C, S, M types. Asteroids are minor planets, especially of the inner solar system. Largest asteroid by far is Ceres and second is Pallas. All these asteroids revolve around the Sun. Meteors. Meteors are shooting stars like flashes of light in the sky. When asteroids collide, they break up into smaller pieces. These pieces sometimes enter the Earth's atmosphere with a very high speed. Friction between these pieces and atmospheric air causes the object to get red hot and finally burn out. Meteors are seen as bright light in the sky. They are therefore called shooting stars. Some meteors may not burn out completely and thus reach the Earth's surface to be called meteorites. They are a valuable source of information about the past history of the Earth and the solar system. Next is meteors. Meteors are a piece of rocks or metal that burns and glows brightly in the sky as it falls from outer space into the Earth's atmosphere. Meteors are also known as shooting stars. Meteors give information about the past history of the solar system. Comets. Comets are bodies of ice and dust. Second, they are heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun. Third, a comet has a head and a glowing tail which is always directed away from the sun. Fourth, once in many years, a comet is visible to our naked eyes. Fifth, Halley's Comet is one important comet that visits the Earth regularly. Sixth, it is seen once in 76 years. Next one is comets. Comets are cosmic snowballs of frozen gases, rocks and dust that orbit the sun. When a comet's orbit brings it close to the sun, it heats up and spews dust and gases into giant glowing head larger than most planets. Comets are seen once in 76 years and can be seen naked eyes. India's space program. India's space program began in 1975 with the launching of Aryabhatta. In 1984, squadron leader Rakesh Sharma was sent into space. Famous Indian satellites are Bhaskara 1, Bhaskara 2, and INSAT IA, INSAT 1B, IRS, EduSat, INSAT 2E, INSAT 3B, INSAT 3C, INSAT 3A, INSAT 4A, etc. ISRO launches fourth navigation satellite IRNSS 1D successfully on 28 March 2015. The entire IRNSS constellation of 7 satellites is planned to be completely by 2016. ISRO also launched GSLV Mark 13 successfully on December 18, 2014. It was launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center located in Sriharikota. GSLV Mark 13 will be able to put satellites weight up to 4 tons into orbit. Let's see about the India's space program. The Indian Space Program is the space agency of the Government of India and has its headquarters in the city of Bangalore. Its vision is to harness space technology for national development. The Indian National Committee for Space Research was established by Jawaharlal Nehru in 1962. Then this grew and became ISRO in 1969. ISRO built India's first satellite Aryabhatta on 19th April 1975. Rakesh Sharma was sent into space. So, here in this chapter we have studied about universe, solar system. Now we are known with planets and satellites. The artificial satellites are very useful in telecommunication, TV relay and meteorology. So, the chapter is completed. I hope I have raised till your understanding power. Thank you.